This event is the Virginia Heart and Vascular Symposium. It's been going on for 17 years.
It's an educational conference for the community, for the physicians, to kind of come and see what's new and get an update on what's at the forefront of cardiovascular medicine, not only in the community, but just nationally and what's happening in the field.
I travel the world and go to different conferences, and I learn things at this conference that I haven't learned at those. We have really talented people in this community, absolutely amazing physicians. And so for me, it's educational, it's incredibly enjoyable, and I think it's kind of all-encompassing.
I'm here to discuss atrial fibrillation. It's important that people know about this and what they can do to treat it. There's always new data, and a symposium like this brings experts in the field to come together and bring updates in each field, especially in atrial fibrillation. It's also an avenue for people to share ideas and just be better overall, because at the end of the day, the patients are better for it.
To be able to get everybody together, get all this information out there, look at all the new data that's out there and be able to sift through it together and then disseminate that out to the caregivers in the community. I think it's very important.
The sponsorships really make this happen and make it, possible for us to put this event on, and they get the word out to, all of the physicians, all of the community, and they get kind of that shining light as well to show what they have. We've been top 50 cardiovascular hospital. We've been 3-star TAVR program. We have all these accolades that a lot of people may not know unless they have to know. And so this allows, the community and even our staff members to say, hey, we do that here. We don't have to go anywhere else to get that care.
I've been here for about 8 years, and before I got here, most of our patients used to go up to Northern Virginia, or they would go down to Richmond. But slowly, with the partnership with Mary Washington, we were able to grow the programs here to an extent where patients are getting same kind of care right here in Fredericksburg.
The best takeaway from this symposium is that for new learners and for advanced learners, there's really truthfully something for everybody. In the most basic context, we're providing those basic diagnosis and the testing that's needed to identify cardiovascular disease and goal-directed medical therapy. But we're also talking about advanced technology, advanced imaging, advanced procedures that can be done, and they're very sophisticated and complex. And my takeaway from that as the administrator for structural heart is, can we do that here?
I think it's important that there's knowledge transfer. I think it's important that we commit to what we got into this field for, which is lifetime of learning. And we make sure that we are staying on top of what is current. And this is what this forum provides.
It's a wonderful venue for our staff to come together. They're all here to get new knowledge so they can take it back to Mary Washington Hospital and deliver better care. It's just their commitment as individuals to raising the level of their performance, and I think that's pretty amazing stuff.